Golf Lima Kilos, downwind to land.
Golf Lima Kilo, report final. Is that to land?
Yeah, it's a bit hazy for my liking. I'm going to land if that's okay, and I've had visual with one ahead.
That's fine, no problem.
Welcome back to another flight vlog. I'm down here at Wellesbourne, and Happy New Year to all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed already, please click on the link below. I was hoping to fly to the Isle of Wight today, but as you can see from behind me, the cloud brace is pretty low. There's Hotel Fox that I normally fly. But instead, I'm just going to do a couple of circuits. I brought a new camera and a new camera attachment, so I wanted to show you guys what it's like. So here we go.
Welcome information, Golf Bravo Sierra Lima Kilo.
Golf Lima Kilo, welcome information. Good afternoon, readability 5, pass your message.
Good afternoon, just parked opposite take flight, one person on board, request airfield information taxi for circuits.
Golf Lima Kilo, taxi to hold report Alpha for 18 right hand, the QFE is 1011.
Taxi to Alpha for 18 right hand 1011, Golf Lima Kilo.
And Golf Mike Yankee, vacate down to 3 and taxi to parking.
Vacating and taxi to parking.
So welcome to another flight vlog. Today I'm flying in a new aircraft, another Piper Cherokee. Never been in Lima Kilo before. Got a nice little setup in here. If you're following me on Instagram, you might have seen that I was quite excited about a new camera attachment, my GoPro, for another GoPro I brought. So I've just set that up. I was hoping to go to the Isle of Wight as I mentioned earlier, but I just wanted to test this angle out. So just set that up. Hopefully it should look good.
Golf Alpha Mike, runway 18, to land at your discretion. The surface wind is 200 degrees 7 knots.
Landing Alpha Mike.
Golf Lima Kilo is holding Alpha ready for departure.
Golf Lima Kilo, runway 18, take off at your discretion. The surface wind 2107 knots.
Golf Lima Kilo. Okay, so lining up for a 18. Our base isn't particularly a great today, but it's high enough for circuits. So we're lined up. DI. Okay, definitely looks good. Airspeed's alive. Okay. Feet. Yeah, it's a bit hazy. Just going to turn to the right. Watching Loxley Village. 800 feet. Visual with the one head. Okay, we're circuit high now. Golf Lima Kilos downwind to land.
Golf Lima Kilo report final. Is that to land?
Yeah, it's a bit hazy for my liking. I'm going to land if that's okay, and I've had visual with one ahead.
That's fine, no problem.
Charlie Yankee downwind to touch and go.
Charlie Yankee, report final.
Report final, Charlie Yankee.
What's been information? Golf Echo Alpha. Right, taxi for fuel now, please.
Golf Echo Alpha to the fuel bank.
To fuel, Echo Alpha.
Well, for information, Golf Bravo Whiskey November Delta, request join, currently overhead guidance.
Golf November Delta, currently 2 in the fixed wing circuit on 18 right hand, QFE 1011.
18 right hand QFE 1011. Correction, about 5 minutes out from guidance. Golf Bravo Whiskey November Delta.
Golf November Delta, that's fine.
Charlie Yankee finals for touch and go.
Charlie Yankee, runway 18, touch and go at your discretion. The surface wind is 2107 knots.
Touch and go at my discretion, Charlie Yankee.
Golf Lima Kima's final to land. Visual with one ahead.
Golf Lima Kilo, aircraft ahead is for a touch and go, I'll call.
Roger.
Golf Lima Kilo, runway 18, land at your discretion. The surface wind is 2206 knots.
Golf Lima Kilo.
Golf Bravo Whiskey November Delta, descending dead side.
November Delta, thank you. Report downwind 18 right.
We'll go, Golf November Delta.
Well, that was a very short flight. Hopefully it's tested the new camera angle out. But it's proper hazy up here today. I actually lost sight of the runway at one point and the traffic ahead. So I thought I'd call it a day and just do one circuit and call back. Definitely not taking any risks at the moment. But after what happened last week. Fortunately last week an aircraft came down not far from here. Yeah, so I'm definitely not taking any risks.
Charlie Yankee, just request how many in the circuit, please?
Charlie Yankee, just one joining from the overhead and just up.
So thank you for watching as always. Really appreciate it. Got lots planned for the channel this year. So please keep tuned, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Please give me a thumbs up. This is my first flight for a month, and I'm in a new aircraft. Things are pretty much the same, but a little bit different. So,
requested airfield information.
like I said, not taking any risks today.
Bravo Kilo, good afternoon, Visibility 5, taxi to holding point Alpha for 18 right, and the QFE is 1011.
Yes, holding point Alpha, 18 right hand circuit, QFE 1011, Golf, Bravo Papa, Bravo Kilo.
Golf Kilo, yes, that's fine, if you could pull off there, please.
Visual, Golf Bravo Kilo.
Golf Bravo Whiskey November Delta, downwind.
Delta November Delta, thank you, report final, well reported ahead.
Wilco, traffic in sight, Golf November Delta.
Here we go, back very quickly.